Hello everybody. In this time we are talking about quantitative research. Quantitative research is the process of collecting and analyzing numerical data. It can be used to find patterns and averages, make predictions, test causal relationships, and generalize results to wider populations. Quantitative research is the opposite of qualitative research, which involves collecting and analyzing non-numerical data like text, video, or audio. Quantitative research is widely used in the natural and social sciences like biology, chemistry, psychology, economics, sociology, marketing, etc. And then we move to the quantitative research characteristics. Quantitative research has several unique characteristics that make it well suited for specific projects. We start from the first characteristics. Structured tools. Quantitative research relies on structured tools such as surveys, polls, or questionnaires to gather quantitative data. Using such structured methods helps collect in-depth and actionable numerical data from the survey respondents, making it easier to perform data analysis. And then the second, generalizations of results. One of the strengths of quantitative research is its ability to generalize results to the entire population. It means that the findings derived from a sample can be extrapolated to make informed decisions and take appropriate actions for improvement based on numerical data analysis. And then the third, sample size. Quantitative research is conducted on a significant sample size representing the target market. Appropriate survey sampling methods, a fundamental aspect of quantitative research methods, must be employed when deriving the sample to fortify the research objective and ensure the reliability of the results. And then the fourth, quantitative data. Typically, quantitative data is represented using tables, charts, graphs, or other numerical forms. This visual representation aids in understanding the collected data and is essential for rigorous data analysis, a key component of quantitative research methods. And then fifth, close-ended questions. Close-ended questions specifically designed to align with the research objectives are a cornerstone of quantitative research. These questions facilitate the collection of quantitative data and are extensively used in data collection processes. And then we move to the advantages of quantitative research. When choosing the right research methodology, also consider the advantages of quantitative research and how it can impact your study. The first, quantitative research methods are more scientific and rational. They use quantifiable data, leading to objectivity in the results and avoid any chance of ambiguity. Second, quantitative research is based on measured values, facts, and verifiable information, so it can be easily checked or replicated by other researchers, leading to continuity in scientific research. Third, this type of research uses numeric data, so analysis is relatively easier. And then fourth, higher levels of control can be applied to the research, so the chance of bias can be reduced. And fifth, in most cases, a hypothesis is already developed, and quantitative research helps in testing and validating those constructed theories, based on which researchers can make an informed decision about accepting or rejecting their theory. And then we move to quantitative research methods. The first method, descriptive research. The method is focused on the what question. It is used to describe the current status or circumstance of the factor being studied. Researchers using this method do not generally begin with a hypothesis. Rather, they develop one after collecting the data. Variables are not manipulated in this type of research, and researchers do not use the law of probability. Survey research with large data sets falls into this design category. And then the second, comparative research. This method focuses on comparisons. Researchers study groups that are pre-existing rather than created for the study. As in experimental research, the focus is the effect of an independent variable on a dependent variable. The difference is that there is either no control group, no random selection, or no active manipulation variable. Comparative research can also include ex-post facto study designs where archival data is used. And then the third, experimental class research. The experimental method studies whether there is a cause and effect relationships between the research variables, and the researchers controls or manipulates an independent variable to measure its effect on one or more dependent variables. This kind of research is commonly used in science fields such as sociology, psychology, chemistry, and physics. Experimental class research includes a variety of designs such as pre-experimental, quasi-experimental, and true experimental, and typically include parameters such as random or non-random assignment, manipulation of variables, and use of a control group. I think it is enough for this session. Thanks for watching, and don't forget give this channel with your like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you.